Know right now the healing power of onions in vinegar. For our recipe, you will need 3 onions, and you will break and slice them. This recipe was taught by the Japanese Dr. Iros Choto, and became very famous, because besides being tasty it brings several benefits to our health. Guys, I would like to know which city you are from to watch me. Don't forget to leave it here in the comments, so I can know how far my video is reaching. Also, let me know if it is very cold there. In addition, it has functions to help fight cancer, is anti-inflammatory, and is recommended for diabetics. In popular parlance, onions help thin the blood and reduce localized fat, and also keep the intestinal flora up to date and promote numerous health improvements. Vegetables have phytochemicals that are responsible for protection, thus helping our health. Folks, in the book of Psalms 119 to 105 it says the following: "A lamp unto my feet is thy word, and light for my path." That is, may we always put God in front of us so that He will be the light of our path. The Japanese doctor recommends the technique to his patients, and he himself uses this homemade recipe that has been responsible for improving his digestive system and banishing stress-related ringing in the ears. According to the cover of the magazine where this recipe was announced, there are testimonials from people who claim to have lost 30 pounds thanks to the consumption of onions in vinegar. To make the recipe, you will need a sterilized glass jar, 2 tablespoons of honey. You do not consume the honey, you can remove it, but in addition to the benefits that honey also adds, leaves a wonderful taste in this sauce, and then you put the honey. You come here putting the sliced onion. The anti-inflammatory power of onions in vinegar is optimized when onions are consumed daily. I like to eat them in salads, both the onion and the dressing, but there are no rules. You can put them on your meat, on rice, wherever you want. Now I'm putting 1 teaspoon of salt, using pink salt, but you can also use white salt. And now let's complete all this with vinegar. Ideally you should use organic apple cider vinegar, but I didn't have any at home, so I used regular vinegar. After all the onion with vinegar, you will cover the glass and shake it, so that the honey mixes. Leave it in the fridge for 3 days before you consume it, so it gets all the flavor right there. Then you can consume it for up to 15 days. However, people, it runs out very fast. You can make more than 1 glass, okay? So it's ready, now I'll put it away. This was today's recipe, and I hope you enjoyed it. May God bless you and your family, okay? Thanks for the audience and see you in the next videos. Bye.